Are you thinking about remodeling your home? Great. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Most people don't go over budget because they bought fancy tiles or expensive furniture. Nope, they go over budget because of hidden issues they never saw coming. And today I'm going to share the crucial, often ignored problems that can derail your remodel, and how to plan smartly so your money goes exactly where it matters most. Before we continue, please allow me to welcome you to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Let's talk about the hidden issues in home remodeling that nobody talks about. We can start with the stuff that's not on your Pinterest board, but will hit your wallet. 1. Structural surprises. When you open up a wall, you're expecting to make a cute open kitchen, and boom, there's a load-bearing beam, plumbing, or wiring that costs thousands to reroute. Therefore, always set aside 10 to 20% of your budget for these uh-oh moments. 2. Outdated wiring and plumbing. It's saying that old houses hide a lot of sins. Once you start, you might find unsafe wiring or leaky pipes. You can't ignore them, it's a safety issue, but fixing them will eat into your design budget fast. 3. Permit delays and extra costs. A lot of people forget that permits aren't just paperwork. The permits take time, cost money, and sometimes force you to meet new building codes you didn't plan for. That can mean redoing work you already budgeted. Therefore, when you schedule your home remodeling, consider not only the time for permit delay, but also the extra costs. 4. Hidden water damage or mold. Looks fine on the surface, but when you remove the ceiling and hello, water damage. Repairing it can take a big bite out of your budget, and it's not the kind of upgrade you can skip. 5. Matching old materials. You think you'll just replace one section of flooring or cabinetry, but then realize you can't find an exact match. Suddenly you're redoing the whole room. Okay, so now you know the hidden issues in home remodeling. Now let's talk about how these hidden issues tie to a limited budget. Here's where it gets tricky. Every time you fix one of these hidden issues, it steals money from the fun part of your remodel, like the finishes, furniture, or layout changes. That's why you have to be strategic from the start. If you have a small budget, you can't do everything. You have to decide, do you want to remodel for looks, for function, or for long-term value? Because the more you spend fixing invisible problems, the less you have for visual upgrades, and vice versa. First step is smart decision-making, where to remodel first. Think of it like triage. Here's a smart order to follow. Fix the must-do safety and structure problems first. That means anything electrical, plumbing, or structural. Upgrade the high-use areas. Kitchens and bathrooms give the best return on investment and make daily life better. Focus on first impressions. The entryway, living room, and curb appeal all set the tone for your home. Leave the purely cosmetic upgrades for last. Paint, decor, and styling can be done later when your wallet recovers. The next step is be strategic in the remodeling process. Before you touch a hammer, follow this process. Inspection first. Get a pro to check for hidden issues before you start designing. Budget split. Reserve at least 20% for surprises, 50% for planned major upgrades, and the rest for design finishes. Remodel in stages. If money's tight, do it in phases instead of cutting corners on quality. Reuse and repurpose. Cabinets, light fixtures, even doors can be refreshed instead of replaced. Stay flexible. If a surprise eats into your budget, have a plan B for finishes, so you don't stall the whole project. So remodeling isn't just picking pretty tiles and paint colors, it's navigating all the hidden, unsexy problems behind your walls. The more you prepare for them, the less likely they'll destroy your budget. Remember, smart remodeling isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things in the right order. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Click the notification bell for the next educational videos about design tutorials for better living. Thank you.